again. Today I thought I'd show you how to draw one of my favorite things, a really cute swirly lollipop. All right, so all you need is a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser, and a black outline pen if you really want to finish it off. All right, let's get started. First thing I want you to do, I want you to find the center of your paper and put a little dot, just like that. What we're going to do is we're going to make a swirl, and I'm going to start at that dot. Here's how I do it. I go around like I'm making a circle, except I don't close it. I go outside, and I continue to follow that shape, slowly going around and around until you've got it the size that you want. Now I'm going to keep going. I'm going to make this a big one. But you can make yours any size you'd like. And when you're ready to close it, you just close the line on itself, just like so. Okay? So there I've got a nice spiral. Next, I'm going to make a long line that goes straight from the bottom. And I'm going to copy that line, but I'm going to scoot it over. I'm going to give it a little bit of space in between, and then I'm going to make a curve on the bottom to close it. That's going to be my lollipop stick. Now this isn't just any lollipop. We're going to dress it up a little bit. In the center, I want you to make a circle. Right in the center of the stick. And then we're going to make a soft triangle shape to the side. I call them elephant ears because that's what they look like to me. So coming off the side of that circle, I'm going to make one big elephant ear. Okay, do you see how it can look like a triangle on the side? It doesn't have any pointy edges. All the sides are rounded. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to try to match it, but I promise it won't be perfect. All right, so I've got 2 elephant ears. Now, on the inside, I want you to draw a curved line and another curved line. Do the same thing on the other side. One curve and another curve. This is going to make it look like the bow is nice and fluffy. Now, coming from the side, I want you to go diagonal, make a W, and come back up to the middle. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I start right here in the corner. I go diagonal, put a W on the bottom, come back up to the middle. All right. Now you might see some lines inside. Go ahead and erase those. Erase any of the stick lines that are showing through your bow because we want the bow to look as if it's in front. So that means I shouldn't be able to see the stick and that's behind it. This could be it. You could be done with your lollipop. But if you're like me and you like to make things kawaii, you can also add a cute little smiley face, maybe some eyelashes to your lollipop to finish it off. And last but not least, I'm going to take that black pen and I'm just going to outline all the lines that are showing. And I'm going to start off right in the center. And last but not least, I'm going to make sure my ink is nice and dry before I do this. I'm going to take an eraser and I'm going to erase very lightly. I'm not pushing down really hard. I'm just using the sides of my eraser and going back and forth in a sweeping motion to get rid of any pencil lines that are peeking out. All right, and there you have it. There's a cute little lollipop, and you can color this any way. I've seen it done with rainbow colors or two colors that are kind of swirling around each other. Totally up to you. I hope you had fun. Keep on doodling. Bye, guys.